different types of vector. First one, equal vectors. Two vectors are said to be equal if they have the same magnitude and same direction, wherever be their initial position. As shown in the figure 2.8, the vectors A vector and B vector have the same magnitude and direction. Therefore, A vector and B vector are equal vector. Okay, so equal vector, it is denoted by figure 2.8. Both the vectors have same magnitude and same direction, so we'll say that both the vectors are equal vector. Clear? Second one is like vectors. Two vectors are said to be like vectors if they have same direction but different magnitude. As shown in the figure 2.9, vector A and B both have same direction but they have different magnitudes. So these vectors are like vectors. Next, third one, opposite vectors. The vectors of same magnitude but opposite in the direction are called opposite vectors, as shown in the figure 2.10. You can see in the figure both the vectors A and B have same magnitude but the direction is opposite. The arrow direction, you can see both are in different directions. So these vectors are known as opposite vectors. Next, unlike vectors. The vectors of different magnitude acting in opposite direction are called unlike vectors, as shown in the figure. So figure 2.11, vector A and vector B have different magnitude and they are acting in different directions, or we can say opposite directions. So these vectors are unlike vectors. Next one is unit vector. A vector having unit magnitude is called unit vector. It is also defined as vector divided by its own magnitude. A unit vector in the direction of a vector A vector is written as A cap and is read as A cap or A caret or A hat. Therefore, A cap is equals to vector upon magnitude of vector. So this one is known as unit vector. Okay, unit vector's magnitude is always equals to 1. So we can find the value of vector in terms of unit vector is A vector is equals to A cap into mod of A vector. Thus, a vector can be written as the product of its magnitude and unit vector along its direction. Clear? Next, orthogonal unit vectors. They are most common unit vectors in the positive directions x, y, z axis of Cartesian coordinate system, denoted by I, j, k respectively. Since they are along the mutually perpendicular direction, they are called orthogonal unit vector. So the vectors, orthogonal vectors, it denoted by I, j, k. In x direction we are saying I cap. In y direction we are saying that orthogonal vector is j cap, and in z direction orthogonal vector is k cap, and this one is origin. Okay, so all of these vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay, this one is 90, this one is 90, and this angle is also 90. Sixth, null vector or zero vector. A vector whose magnitude is 0 is called null vector or zero vector. It is represented by 0 vector or its starting and end points are same. The direction of null vector is not known. Okay, so magnitude of any vector is 0, that is denoted by null vector or zero vector. The direction of null vector is unknown. Okay, so this one is important, remember this. 7th, proper vectors. All the non-zero vectors are called proper vectors. 8th, co-initial vectors. Vectors having the same starting point are called co-initial vectors as shown in the figure 2.12. A vector and B vector start from same origin O, hence they are called co-initial vector. These A and B both are co-initial vector because starting point is same. Next, 9th, coplanar vector. Vectors lying in the same plane are called coplanar vectors, and the plane in which the vectors lie are called plane of vectors.